Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do a Minecraft Let's Play. I got a new skin. You like it? With rainbow steel.
What? That's not my name. I'm Blue Rainbow.
Blue Rainbow, sorry. Do you like my new skin? I call it my Vampire Kitty skin.
If you would get on, that would be lovely.
We're getting on Sarah's.
I'm blue.
Blue
Rainbow.
Blue Rainbow.
Blue
Yes.
Rainbow. Yay! Hello. I cut down the mushroom. There's like one right here, and can you see this little red? And it's right here, and there's loads of mushrooms. There's spruce. There's jungle. Oh, it's so cool.
Sarah, settle down.
No. Mushrooms. A mushrooms.
Okay, guys.
Mushrooms.
Today our challenge will be create a house
Hey, those are my mushrooms.
in the trees. That's our thing. Create a cool house in the trees. Ooh, chicken.
Don't pick up the mushrooms.
No.
Don't do it. I need equal pieces of each ones or off to destroy some pieces so I have equal. Hey, mushrooms!
Oh, sorry. Don't kill the chicken. I want it.
If you give me back my mushrooms, I won't kill the chicken.
Any chickens?
No, I have one extra.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Do you have any seeds? No, don't kill that chicken.
There's 2 of them.
I know. I want to mate him. You can have one.
There's 3.
You can kill.
I'm getting the ones that's following. Oh, I get all 3. Let's put them in a hole.
No, you don't.
Yay! Holes.
Those are my chickens. I already claimed them.
Let's live together so we both claim them.
I already claimed them, sir.
You claimed 2. I claimed 1.
Yeah, you can have 1, not 2.
It's not my fault you didn't claim them in time. Okay, here.
I get 2 no matter what.
Okay, here. Here. Is it following you? Okay. This is my home. Get out.
Where's the...
I will kill these. These are my chickens.
Where's the other one? I want 2, Sarah.
Okay, well, that sucks for you, Cherish. Because you didn't claim them in time. I did.
Come on, chicken.
Chiggy.
This is mine.
I know.
Go away so I won't have to kill yours.
You kill mine, I kill yours. Yay. Chiggy.
Trinity, no, go away.
Tree, don't kill him. Tree! What are you doing?
Girls, you cannot be yelling.
Ah.
That's your first and final warning. If you can't play without yelling, you won't.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Chicken.
Cherish, I'm in a bit of a pickle.
Why?
I'm sort of trapped.
I don't care. You stole my chicken.
You didn't get in time. I didn't steal nothing.
I said I claimed 2. You took 2. I only had 1 left. Till I get another chicken, I'm not helping you.
You go away. Mine.
Chickens.
Stop it. It's my crafting table. No, you can't. Stop. Go away. My sneeze. No judging.
You can't see.
Sorry, you guys might get off real quick.
I had like 5 chickens!
Okay, I'm on.
Oh my god, chickens. Sarah!
Probably still around.
Oh yeah, okay. I got 3 of them. Let's see. Oh, okay, I got them all back. Good chickies.
How much food do you have,
shoot, none.
Are you hungry?
No. But my chickens are.
When you do get hungry, come to my store. I have food.
I don't have anything to pay you in.
I get paid in wood.
I don't have any wood.
Cut down some trees.
I'm not gonna give you anything, Sarah. I hate your prices.
So for 3 pieces of food, for 1 piece of wood, no, that's horrible prices.
You just lowered it down.
No, that's what it was gonna be.
I knew I should have collected their seed.
Trinity Joan, are you still in the world? Why? Will you get on later?
No, Sarah, don't come near me.
Oh, you baby. He's so cute.
Good. There you go,
Monsters
you
will
doopy
spawn.
chicken.
Dude, monsters will spawn.
Okay. There. What?
Hurry, Trish, get in my hole. Hurry, my house is right here.
I can't. My chickens. I'm stuck in the pit. I don't want to.
I have ladders.
Oh, yeah. Please.
I'm coming.
Please. All I need is one, please. I don't want my chickens to die because of me. Please. I have so many. Sarah.
I'm coming. I have to chop down a tree real quick. Don't have enough wood.
Sarah.
I'm coming.
Rest poison each week.
Scoop up. Please.
Oh, just put a ladder right there. Thank you. Quickly, come on.
Here, Trish, here, hurry.
Wait.
Hurry.
I'm almost dead.
Skeleton, get in. Do you need food?
I have one food thing left, so, yes. You're not giving it to me. Thank you.
Here's another one. Give me back the balls in the ground.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Dude, you took it with you. Yeah, you did. I don't have any more food.
Let's stay hidden.
Okay, come on.
So eat that.
Okay, I'm throwing them. Thank you. Okay, guys.
It's a creeper.
Okay, guys. Obviously, I have. Wait, I got 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 babies. I call my chickens my babies. I got 8 babies in my pet. I'm gonna build a house next time. But thanks for watching, and have a good